So what you may also want to do is you may want to search for specific things in search engines, but you want to include certain things and exclude certain things, and you don't know how to do that. So I'm going to go around and ask GPT to generate search prompts for me. So I'm going to go around and say, write a search prompt for Google search engine where I am trying to search for red flowers and exclude all the other colors besides red, just like this. So I'm going to go around and press enter, and what happens is that it simply generates a search prompt, as you can see. So it says red flowers and it says minus yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and green. So this is the search prompt that it generated, as you can see right here. So now I can go around over here and paste this out, and what happens is that it displays out red flower minus yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and green, just like that. I can also go around and say, let's say for example, write so let me just go around and copy, write a search prompt for Google search English. Okay, that was an error, so I'm just going to go around and say engine right here and type in where I want to search for red flower inside of the website www.wikipedia.org only, just like this. I'm going to press enter, and then it generates out the search prompt right here, just like this. So this is what I want: site wikipedia.org and red flowers. So I need to go around and type that in and press OK, and that is what I have. So let me just go around over here and remove this. You can see that it helped me generate out the search result, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize ChatGPT to generate specific search prompts as you like. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.